Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created this design with Canva using just my smartphone. Oh yeah, let's go. So as usual, you are going to click on your plus icon, then after that, click on your custom size, which is that icon. So we are going to create the size 3000 by 3000 pixels. We are going to be using 3000 by 3000 pixels. So I'm going to click on create new design, and let us wait for it. So the next thing we will be doing now is to scroll down this part and click on element and go and get click on see all here. We're going to click on see all, and we're going to get this image here. So I'm going to click on the background, click on color, click on this arrow here. So I want to get a color from this image, so I'm going to use it like this. Then I'm going to click on the color, click on this plus icon, move it here like this. As you can see me do so here. So the next thing, I'm going to click on this one, increase its size till it fit the design size like this. Then I will go to position here, click on align, click on middle and center. Then I'm going to click on this transparency and reduce the transparency to, like, maybe let us just use 60 is okay, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this flip and flip it vertically, as you can see me do so. So the next thing for us to do now is to click on text, click on add the heading and paste our text. I've copied it already, so I'm just going to paste it like this. I'm going to click on it again, then scroll till I get to this format, use the left alignment. Then I'm going to click on spacing, then reduce the line spacing like this, as you can see me do so. Then I'm going to click on font, click on this arrow, and we're going to be using poppins. We are using poppin, right? We are using poppin bold. So this is exactly what you are using. Call me. So this is it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the color of this text to white. Then the next thing we are going to paste it here like this, as you can see me do so. Then I'm going to try and move it up. I'm going to reduce its size a little bit, but not too much. Then I'm going to use the nudge here to move it up, as you can see me do so. So once we are done like this, the next thing for us to do is to click on element, then get a shape here. Once we get this shape, the next thing we are going to be doing is that we are going to drag it like this, increase its size, let it fit at the bottom of this design like this. Then I'm just going to move it up like this, as you can see me do so. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to change the color to white. Then the next thing for me to do now is to click on element again and get a shape again. So once I get the shape this time around, I'm going to make sure it is smaller. So I just want to paste it on top of this white, at the middle of the top of this white shape here, as you can see me do so here. So you can see it, this is exactly what I'm trying to create. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to click on it, then click on the color here, click on this one. Oh, I'm going to go to style here and increase the style. The border weight, I'm just going to use, like, maybe let us just use 10, right? I think 10 is okay. Then we're going to give the border weight color white. We're going to be using white for the border weight color. So once we are done like this, the next thing I'm going to click on text, click on add the heading and input our services. So this is exactly what we'll be inputting. So I'm going to input it, click on it again, reduce its size almost totally. Then I'm going to paste it here like this. I'm going to reduce its size again, yes, like this. Then I'm going to click on font, click on this arrow, and we are going to be using poppin. I think poppin bold will be okay. You know, let's just use poppin semi bold, right? So we're going to be using poppin semi bold. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to scroll to the spacing and increase the letter spacing like this a little bit, but not too much. Then I'm going to reduce its size like this almost totally, yes. Then I'm going to paste it here like this, as you can see me do so. Then I'm going to change the color to white. Yes, this is exactly what you are creating. So the next thing for us to do, I'm click on the text again, click on add the heading and paste our services that I've copied already. So I'm going to click on it, reduce its size, scroll till I get to this format here and use the left alignment like this. Then I'm going to click on the format again and give it that circle outline. Then I'm going to go to font here, click on this arrow. Then I'm going to use the poppin also here. So we're going to be using poppin semi-bold 2 here for this one. So I'm going to put it here like this, as you can see me do so. I'm going to click on it again, then scroll to spacing here and increase the line spacing. So the next thing we'll be doing now is that I'm just going to, like, move it down a little bit like this, as you can see me do so. So I'm just going to cut it like this, go to click on this nudge here and use the nudge to move it like this. Yes, I'm just going to move it to the margin. I want to let it exceed the margin. So the next thing I will be doing now is that I'm just going to increase its size a little bit, but not too much, as you can see me do so here. So I'm just going to like use the nudge key and move it like this. So the next thing we'll be doing now is that I'm going to click on this upload here. So I'm going to be using this image. So I'm going to go to Magic Studio here and remove the background of the image of this mannequin rather. So let us wait for it. It is loading. So yes, the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to increase its size like this, as you can see me do so. Then I'm going to scroll to this flip here and flip it horizontally, as you can see me do so. So I'm just going to paste it here like this. So this is exactly what you are going to be doing like this. Yes, so I'm going to paste it like this. So the next thing for me to do now is to click on element again and get a frame. So we are going to be using a frame here. Cut it like this, paste it here like, oh sorry, so we're going to cut it like this, we're going to paste it here like this, cut it like this through again, then we're going to paste it like this, oh sorry, yes, we're going to cut it like this, we're going to paste it like this. Yes, this is exactly what you're trying to do. So I'm going to duplicate it again and have it here also. No, let me delete this one here first. So let me just cut it like this. Yes, okay. Yes, we're going to cut it like this. Let us cut it like this, then move it like this. Yes, so this is exactly what you'll be creating. Then I'm going to duplicate it again and click on another one here like this. So I'm going to click on nudge here and move it here like this. So this is exactly what you'll be creating. So the next thing for me to do now is to click on this style here and increase the border weight to like just 10. So I'm going to increase the border weight to 10. So then what is the next step for me to do? The color of the border weight will be black, yes. So I'm going to click on this corner too and increase the corner to like just 20 is okay for it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, let me just delete this one, click on this one, duplicate it again and paste it here, and let us have it here like this. Then I'm going to go to nudge here and move it beside it a little bit, but not too much. So the next thing we're going to be doing is that I'm going to click on element again and get this cream something, then I'm going to paste it here like this. Yes, I'm going to put it inside the frame, click on it again, click on crop here and increase its size like this and move it up like this, as you can see me do so. So I'm going to click on done. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on the element again and get the second image and put it inside the frame. So the frame is going to catch it now. Yes, the frame is catch it. I'm going to click on crop here, increase its size a little bit but not too much, and I'm going to move it up like this. Then I'm going to click on turn again. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to click on element and get a shape again. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to cut it like this, bring it here like this, increase its size like this, cut it like this. Yes, then I'm going to paste it like this, then increase its size like this, as you can see me do so. You can see, so I'm trying to let something happen. Yes, so let me just cut it like this. Yes, so the next thing I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to just click on this notch here, move it down a little bit. Then I'm going to go to position here and click on backward. Yes, then I'm going to click on the color, click on this. No, I'm going to click on color. I'm going to click on color, use this color, click on that plus, click on gradient here, click on this one too. Then I'm going to be using like a gradient color for this two like this. Yes, this is exactly what you're trying to create. Then the next thing I'm going to click on element, then get this one icon, this called icon, reduce its size, and I'm going to paste it here like this. Yes, then I'm going to scroll to color here and change the color to white. I'm coming to click on text, click on add a heading and paste our text. So I'm going to click on it, reduce its size like this, as you can see me do so. Then we are going to paste it here like this. Yes, I'm going to paste it here like this, increase its, so I'm going to increase its size like this, a little bit like this, and I'm going to paste it here like this. Click on font here, click on this arrow, and we're going to be using popping, just popping bold here. So I'm going to click on color, click on this like this. Then I'm going to use this notch here and move it here like this, as you can see me do so. So the next thing I'll be doing now is that I'm going to click on element again and get this our location icon. I'm going to reduce its size like this, and I'm going to paste it here like this. Yes, I'm going to paste it here like this, then scroll till I get to this color and change the color to white. So the next thing I'll be doing just click on this one here, then scroll to nudge here and move it beside the call icon here like this. Then I'm going to click on this one too. I'm going to click on this location icon, click on the nudge here and move it beside it a little bit. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to click on text again, click on add the heading and paste the text that I've copied already. So I'm going to click on it again, reduce its size, make it just one line like this. Then I'm going to reduce its size almost totally. Then I'm going to paste it here like this. Yes, I'm going to paste it here like this. Then I'm going to click on this font, click on this arrow, click on this pop in here. I'm going to be using the bold one. Then I'm going to scroll to color here and use the white color. Then I'm going to click on nudge here and move it beside it a little bit like this, and I think we are done. So the next step for us to do now is to click on this download icon, click on download and download our design. I hope you learned something. Anyways, I'm that designer that designs and makes money with Canva using just my smartphone. Let me teach you how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You are welcome.